You usually vote at Ikeja, but you're doing this registration today in Bordelon. Is there any reason for the change of venue, sir?
One is symbolic, to encourage people to come out to comply with the party's request for registration. So that is the main purpose. This is nothing to do with INEC. I think we endorse Chief Bisi Akande's position. Other than that, I don't have much to add. Lifetime situation is from cradle to grave, from childhood to the day you are dead and buried. Not the question of membership of a political party. Since we have a foundation, and that foundation is on which the structure up to the presidency was built at the time of the registration of this party, I won't fault Babak on this position. I will not, but endorse it.
Thank you.
And what we are doing now is a matter of addition and subtraction. Free entry, free exit. You've joined a particular party, you've decided to leave that party. You have equally opportunity for new members to join and update the existing register of the party. I have not heard from anybody that the register of the party submitted to INEC at the time of registration of APC has been invalidated. No. You understand me? So this is an update and revalidation of all those membership. We've had various congresses, we have various exits. We've complied with the Electoral Act up till today. There's no argument about it.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.